We're going to talk a little bit about the market and what exactly we do in the funding warehouse, and then we'll hand it over to Roshan. Roshan is the man here. Okay. Again, Mega Mastermind is a real estate club. It was formed a little bit more than 2.5 years ago with a single goal in mind. The goal is to create a platform for all the real estate professionals to come to meet and to network and to build some relationships so that you can be successful in your real estate careers. So our club comprises of everyone in the real estate, starting from bird dogs to wholesalers, to investors, to agents, to lawyers, to everyone, to attorneys, everyone in the real estate. We have a group of network in our club. And our network is a little bit more than 3,000 professionals. Like now we have more than 3,000 professionals. All of them are in Southern California area. And we consider like all the people who attend to our event as our Mega Mastermind club members, and we try to help them in any way we can so that they will be successful. Let me tell you our intention, okay? We have like two companies. One is the funding warehouse and another is the Mega Mastermind. Pardon our typo here, it is warehouse, not water house. Okay? That's a typo. That's a typo. So to differentiate them, funding warehouse is the for-profit company. That is our bread and butter. We make money on the funding warehouse. We do loans. We lend on anything that is real estate backed. Prithim is going to tell more about that. Okay? So that is our bread and butter. Mega Mastermind is a non-profit event. We do this to build our network, and our goal is to, like, instead of using the marketing dollars of funding warehouse or some fancy marketing, we use it to run this club, Mega Mastermind, so that like we can invite someone like a professional or a guru to teach something about the real estate, and then we can also get their contacts. And we have like so many associates who came to our events who work with us now. Prithim is also share about the internship program which we have, which is free. Okay, and I'll give you like a couple of examples on how we help our people. Like a few months back, we got a real nice deal from Long Beach. The borrower is a new borrower. He doesn't have any experience, but the deal makes sense. So as long as the numbers make sense, we work on it if it is real estate backed. The deal is very good, but the borrower doesn't have any experience. We tried to lend that money by going to a bank, but the banks rejected him because of lack of experience. So we asked him to go and find someone who has experience and partner with that guy. Unfortunately, he couldn't find any partner from himself. So he came back to us and we looked into our network and we were able to find someone who has a lot of experience from the same area. We kind of partnered both of them. They worked together. The experience helped this guy to complete the project on time and on budget, and they both made some good money. It's like 50-50 with JD. They made some good money on the deal. So that's something which we do every time. So you can expect, like being our members, you can expect this thing. We also have like Mega Mastermind Gold membership, which is like $99 per year. If you buy that, it is like access to all events for free. Of course, this is for free, but there are some events which we charge. If you have Gold membership, all the events will be for free. But only for this month, for Roger's event, we have a flyer outside. If you bring that flyer to the Sunday event, you will get the Gold membership for free for our Mega Mastermind clubs. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, with that I'll hand over to Pritham and then we'll hand over.
Hello everybody. So it's the first time we are holding our meetings here, and let me start with I always, I say it once in a while, some people have not heard me. My background. How did I get started with all this? I actually was an engineer in Silicon Valley. I was working and I was new in the country. I came to the country early 2000. So, and I found out in this country it was so easy to get loans, especially in 2005. Because I didn't know, I was not supposed to do that or something. I got 95 houses in 1 year, all using my own credit, 100% finance. I had a lot of strategies I did in 1 year. It was not a plan that I wanted to buy in that year, but that happened to be the third year in the country, and by that time I figured out, it took me 3 years to figure out everything, build my credit. With only my credit and the Silicon Valley job, I bought 95 houses in 2005 to 6. And if you remember, it happened to be, I could not have chosen a worse year. That was luck. So I went up like, like something, and then when 2007 came, and the income, I mean, of course, the market crashed, and that kind of, I was not planned. I mean, and also I was nationwide. I got like, in all states, and I didn't have a plan. I was a full-time job, so I didn't have time. So it all collapsed. But many of my friends who also collapsed, they are still down there. They kind of give up. But I completely, it's all about attitude. I completely got up. I started again. I thought, okay, here's the funny thing. What happened was, when I collapsed, I turned a complete negative. It was a negative, right? My spirit was completely, but I turned that negative into a positive. Because from that collapse, for 6 months, I collected the rent, didn't pay the mortgage. But that was a chunk of money. With that money, I bought a business in San Fernando Valley. That is not real estate, that is something else, a wholesale business. But that business had more income than my job. So from a complete negative, which is a total collapse, I was able to quit my job for the first time. And that was always I wanted to do. And my job was not like a bad job, it was very good, highly paid. But for me, having a job was never my thing. I didn't like it. I want to be independent. And even today, that was in 2007, I quit my job. Even today, I still have nightmares. When I dream, I still think I have a job. I have a first. So again, it was not, I didn't have a trauma, my job was perfect, but still, having a job is not my thing. And even today, I wake up all sweating up, thinking I have a job. And when I wake up, there is no job. So, and because when I had a job, I was doing some, real estate, this and that, computer. I always wondered, maybe somebody is watching at the back. Now there's nobody to watch. So once you're out, it's like getting out of a cage. A bird getting out of a cage never wants to go back. So that's my story. And then after a couple of years in the business, I got back into real estate. And from my experience I learned, I took that as a lesson. And now I have different strategies. And everybody has to feel their way, their place in real estate. I found out that my strength is in numbers, in engineering. So I went into the lending. But one thing to understand is, I call it a funding warehouse, not a lending warehouse, because we are not a pure lender. Pure lenders are finance professionals, all they know is how to lend and how to say no. Our goal is, we are like a fellow investor. So we are actually a hybrid of a lender and investor. So for example, one of the mottos, my email signature is that we join venture with the borrowers. So if the deal is good, and the borrower doesn't qualify or something, we figure out a way to get the deal done. We do a joint venture. So we are kind of like investors wearing a lender's hat, or the other way around. So we are a combo lender investor. And so and we do lending in all over the country, and also we do lending in almost all kinds of products. And we are nationwide. And we are actually gradually getting into outside real estate lending. More like business lending, and I was in a meeting before coming here on something like a green project somewhere. So we are also getting into the capital raising. So one of our biggest problems right now, which is time. We are overwhelmed. We are growing so fast, while all other lenders are having problems getting leads. And my phone is always full, and I'm just overwhelmed. So we are actively looking for people who has time. Because in real estate, you need 4 things: credit, cash, and knowledge and time. We have 3. That time I applied. I wanted to get 25 hours a day. I just did 39. So we are active. If somebody has time and has the right attitude, we're actively looking for interns to work with us, apprentices. That's the oldest way to learn. Learn by doing it. And everybody in our company originally started as an apprentice. Siva, he joined about a year ago, and now he is a partner of the company, and he's doing great. But not everybody become flexible. Some people cannot make it. It's a revolving door. Again, it's a two-way street. They have to do the work. You just cannot just join and go. So, anyways, anybody is interested in that, and all the apprentices and interns we got who eventually become partners, I got from the class. So that I always keep it up. So
Monday through Friday or Saturday, what
anyway,
hours?
it's flexible. There's no hours. I quit my job, so I don't have to have hours. We have 27 to 24/7. But again, there's no hour. It's all about getting the work done. I personally can never, that was my problem in a job, I can never stick to hours.
And Pritham doesn't sleep, so
I'm always so I work when I feel like working, and I don't feel like myself. Last time in November, I traveled. That's phenomenal. November on a Tuesday, somebody told me, oh, there's a good, interesting ticket to China. On Thursday morning, I didn't have to ask anybody's permission. That's something I really enjoy. I mean, when I want to do something, I just do. So I'm very much into, of course, I'm responsible, I made sure everything was good, but I kind of like to go with the flow and like to act on it. That's something I really, really enjoy in my position outside. Outside, before I had to apply for a boss, he has to say yes, and that, and this. So that's about me, and some lot of people ask, I'm happy to share that. And so yeah, I met Roger about 3-4 years ago, and we kind of got along very well. I visited in Florida, so recently he found this awesome program which I'm going to share with you today. And with this, I invite Roger, and he will.
All right, thank you.